friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my Inspired Bible, and I'm in the book of Hosea, chapter 6, verse 3, where it says, "Oh, that we might know the Lord, let us press on to know him. He will respond to us as surely as the arrival of dawn or the coming of rains in early spring." So since spring is here, I really wanted to use this beautiful free printable that is online at BibleJournalLove.com, and it is called Spring Shower Printable. So I will put the link for that down below. I want to use this margin strip here that has the verse on it, and then maybe some of the pieces here like this banner and the little rain boots and maybe the umbrella. I might cut this part out, I'm not sure, but I just thought they were so beautiful. And this verse is just a reminder for us as Christians that we are to continue to get to know Jesus. And the more we get to know Jesus by reading the Bible and praying and going to church, he will help us in all the seasons of our life. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so here is the final entry. I think it turned out super pretty. I love the colors, blue and green, and I think of spring looking at this, and I hope that you enjoyed this process video. It's a really easy process to do in a Bible journal. Check out the free printable down below, and I will see you again next time. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.